Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones OPPO Enco Air 4 Pro to your Windows device. You have to start by open Bluetooth. So click on the window, then settings, now devices, and then click add Bluetooth. Then Bluetooth. Now open the case. It should automatically enter to pairing mode, but if it doesn't, press and hold connection button until you can see that LED start flashing white. Here we go. Now we should see it. Here we go. Click on it. And done. It automatically connected. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!